Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from class J4 EC 1105D1. This presentation is prepared specifically for Madam Siti Nur Aisyah for subject ECG 353 Soil Engineering. Today, we'll be talking about the case study of failed retaining wall. But first, let me introduce me and my friend. Hi, my name is Abdul Roni Hafiz bin Abdul Fattah.
Hi, my name is Alia Natasha Ismail.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Amir Farhan bin Ibrahim.
In this presentation, we'll be going over 6 things. The first one is introduction, followed by case study, failure mechanism, proposal, conclusion, and references. I'll pass the presentation to Alia Natasha.
To start the presentation, I would like to explain about the retaining wall. So retaining wall is a structure that designed and constructed to withstand lateral pressure of the soil. This lateral pressure is due to the earth filling, liquid pressure, sand, and other granular material on the soil that need to be retained. There are several types of retaining wall according to the soil characteristic that require retaining wall, such as gravity walls, embedded wall, and retaining and anchored earth wall. So the uses of retaining wall is to support changes in the ground level. For the case study, we choose the retaining wall that failed due to overnight rainfall in Tanjung Bungah, Penang. So the existing retaining wall is the anchored retaining wall. This affecting the residential area, but there is no death reported because the houses were newly built on the hill. The project consultant were taking responsibility due to neglecting the soil characteristic on the site. So the retaining wall collapsed due to steep circle acting on the wall. There is also a hidden river that may located underground that caused the groundwater table increase during the heavy rainfall that influenced the wall to collapse. As mentioned before, the failure mechanism for the Tanjung Bungah case is slip circle and the groundwater table.
Hi, I am Amir Farhan and I will conduct a proposed design of retaining wall. As for suitable design of a safe and economic retaining wall, we have chosen a masonry wall. A masonry wall is made with any type of brick, concrete or another type of masonry material that strengthens the use of other building materials to increase resistance to deterioration due to weight bearing or other form of stress. So this is a drain pipe or weep hole that function for flow out the water from the masonry wall. The brick is designed has a large size at concrete base and a thick size at the top of wall. It is because the strength that produced is greater than the underlying soil. In our case study, the failure of the retaining wall is due to the global stability. We have identified some of the improvement we can do to our retaining wall. Firstly, ensure the wall has a larger base in order to accommodate the high ground loads. Next, prevent installation with unnecessary vibration, other field failure factor. Third, prevent loss of ground pumping or dewatering by over excavation or reduction of fines. And lastly, make sure the wall has drainage system such as drain pipe to prevent the water from accumulating behind the walls.
Finally, to conclude this presentation, in this project, the researches about a failed retaining wall was done, we have specifically picked the incident of the failure of retaining wall in Tanjung Bunga, Penang. The main causes of the failure was said to be the presence of excess water in the soil. The failure of the water to escape from the soil has resulted in the increase in pressure in the soil. However, study shows that this failure is caused by slip circle. From this case study, our team has been doing our own researches in order to obtain more information and knowledge about the incident and ways to avoid it from happening. In a nutshell, using a different type of retaining wall as proposed in this presentation earlier, such incident would no longer be expected to happen anytime soon. Hence, objective is achieved. Lastly, here are a list of references that were used to assist in the preparation of the project. And that will be all from us. Thank you.